There was a man on the moon. A person. An actual human being. Just like you are. How did he get there? Science makes the impossible possible. It isn't about the immediate result. It's about being curious and exploring the maximum possibilities. At the High-Tech Systems Center, researchers and staff challenge each other to ask questions to which we don't have answers yet.
The step that we would like to make is that we team up way more than we have done in the past. And so we really benefit from this multidisciplinary approach to problems in contributing to breakthrough innovations in industry. And that's where we get passionate about, actually.
Researchers share state-of-the-art facilities to design and develop the machines of the future. Machines that are intelligent, extremely precise, adaptive, and groundbreaking.
In order to design the next generation mechatronics or advanced high-tech systems, we need highly skilled engineers and researchers, and we let them work in a multidisciplinary setting, and that's exactly what we do in our center.
Designing high-tech systems combines mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, mathematics and computer science, and applied physics. The center is established at the heart of one of the smartest regions in the world and is the primary network hub of the mechatronics ecosystem in the Netherlands.
The High-Tech Systems Center has to offer to the industry solutions, fundamental research and innovative ideas.
Our collaboration with the industry makes our research of value. Together, we increase the power of innovation in this region. That way, we stay internationally competitive and strengthen the region's excellent reputation. We do things differently. We dare to dream. We can put you on the moon and beyond.